Sometimes I wonder why a woman has to reach the point of life or death before she is allowed to decide what happens to her own body. That question has been on my mind since I started learning more about the system, how the system treats us. My name is Harriet. I'm a young woman who doubles as a creative, just trying to live her life with dignity. One thing I know for sure is that women and girls deserve full control over their reproductive health. Not halfway control, not control only when things get bad, full control. Because we are human beings, because our bodies belong to us, because our futures depend on the decisions we make about our own health. When I read about the Safe Termination of Pregnancy guidelines, I kept asking myself one thing. The guideline was supposed to help doctors act within the law and save women when pregnancy becomes dangerous. Yet, that tiny lifeline was withdrawn, and nobody is given any real reason. It makes me feel like our lives do not matter enough to keep something that simple in place. And because of this same system, women and girls already facing marginalization are the ones who suffer the most. Young girls who have been raped are forced into motherhood they never asked for. Women who are not ready or who cannot afford to raise a child are pushed into situations that change their lives forever. Many of them end up going through what they should never have to go through, simply because safe options are blocked. Now, the proposed amendment wants to criminalize abortion pills and the people who try to help, as if it is not hard enough already, as if women have not been suffering in silence. This will only push more people into danger, more girls carrying pregnancies they did not choose. More women are stuck in situations that break their futures, and healthcare workers who understand these struggles will be punished for trying to help. This is why Nigerians need to stand up and speak. Anyone can be affected, your sister, your friend, a young girl who has nobody to defend her. Women are people. We deserve the right to make decisions about our bodies and our lives. And when more of us support this cause, there is strength, there is pressure, there is a chance that something will finally shift. If there is one thing I want people to understand, it is this. Sex is something done with someone, not to someone. It should not be a reason to shame women or force them into lifelong responsibilities alone. We need to protect women and girls. We need honest conversations, not stigma. We need a system that cares about our survival, not a system that punishes us for simply being women. My name is Harriet, and I strongly believe bodily autonomy should not be up for debate. Safe abortion saves lives. Stop saves lives.